explain is the importance of wig sizes, because a lot of people really don't know their wig sizes, and I just want to specify in your head size, because a lot of people seem to believe that the products they're using may not be working for them, their wig is always lifting or sliding back. And I just want to explain something to you really quickly, why that may be happening. So when you buy a wig, most standard size wigs are a 22 circumference, and this is a 22 circumference. The average head size of a human is 22, like 21.5 to 22.5, but some people have bigger heads, some people have smaller heads. So I just want to show you guys some examples. Like if your wig fits perfectly, it's just of course going to slide on, it goes down all the way from ear to ear, and you don't have to apply any pressure or force it there. So if the wig fits perfectly on your head, like I said, it's going to be, sometimes it could go over your ear, or sometimes it goes directly to both ears evenly. But if the wig is too small, you're going to have to apply a lot of pressure, pulling it down. Maybe sometimes when you're gluing one side, the other side lifts up, some of it slides back, or the whole thing slides back. So I just wanted to explain to you guys the importance of the sizing of your wigs, because every wig is not a one size fits all. Sometimes you may have to get a custom unit made if this is your scenario. So this is a perfect example of the wig fitting perfectly for her. I don't have to struggle to pull it down. I don't have to tell her, oh, hold this side while I do this side. It goes evenly over her ear, and there's a little bit extra so I can cut this off. This is the other side, same thing. However, if your wig is too, wait, what I just said?
You're on
Pause.